Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to check RAM in Windows 10 in a quick and simple way so you can easily find out how much memory your computer has. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button on your desktop, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and select Settings from the menu. The Settings option allows you to control and view important system information about your computer. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on System to open your system options. This section contains details about your display, notifications, power settings, and overall device information. Step 3. Scroll down on the left side and click on About. The About section provides basic information about your PC, including device name, processor, and installed memory. Step 4. Under the Device Specification section, look for installed RAM to see how much RAM is available on your PC. This tells you the total memory installed, which is important for understanding your computer's performance. Step 5. Alternatively, press Ctrl+, Shift+ ES key on your keyboard to open Task Manager quickly. Task Manager helps you monitor running apps, system performance, and resource usage. Step 6. In Task Manager, click on the Performance tab and select Memory to view your RAM details, including total, used, and available memory. This method also shows real-time usage, which is helpful if you want to check how much memory is being used. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.